Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming in. Sawadee krap om. Ni hao Adam. And hi Bradley. Hi Bajunje. Alright, nice to see you here. Okay, hi Hubert. Guten Morgen. Alright, and Sabrina, Roger. Well, thank you for coming in, everybody. Alright, so yes, today, what are we going to look out for? Okay, in this session, how to live trade Forex today, 2022, 16th of August, and we are going to pick up some currency pairs to focus to trade. All right. So I will be going live again later on in the London session. All right. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do so now so that later on you can join in to have the chat with us to discuss the trade, and if we have a chance to enter a trade, we can enter together. All right. Okay, so yeah, let's come back here. So over here, yes, let's see what do we have. I'm going to pick up some currency pairs that I deem quite potential for selling. All right. So today I'm going to do up this. All right. So Aussie CAD, we are first. I will be looking out for the trend, which is now the trend is actually in the bull. All right. We are in the bull, so tentatively the bull is still running, and today we have some retracement, a little bull pullback. So a little bit of pullback over here, but since the pullback is there, it doesn't seem like it's still good to sell because we will be going against the trend. So in that case, all right, I won't be selling. Okay, I will be still watching for a buy. So buyers can take note if you are there. All right, you can take note for this, and for that, okay, then I will skip this. Okay, all right. Aussie franc. All right. So right now we are also escalating up into the bull. All right. So now it's hovering, going sideways. Okay, going sideways in the bull. So it's good that if we are still going on the sideways, when it hits on the support, it will be a buy. So tentatively, I won't be suggesting a selling. Okay. All right, so Aussie yen. Let's take a look at Aussie yen. Right, yesterday we were looking at Aussie yen to sell, and today the Aussie yen yesterday has sold, and today seems like there's a retracement. Okay, so we are still in the bear. Okay, we are still in the bear. So will there be any chance that we will be able to sell? All right, so let's take a look. If this resistance is going to hold, all right, and from here we can see that okay, Aussie yen will still have a good chance to sell. Maybe today or maybe tomorrow. All right, so we can still pay attention to this. Okay, so I'm going to put this into my selling list. All right, Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen. Okay, so in this case, Aussie yen over here, right, I'm going to sell. Then of course Aussie kiwi, right, Aussie kiwi. So Aussie kiwi over here, let's take a look. The trend here, right, the trend here is still on the move to the moon. So bull is still running. No. All right. Sawadee krap. 168. Okay, so over here and Aussie dollar, we are still in the bull. Okay, we are still in the bull. All right. So yesterday we have a slip off. Okay, over here is a pullback. And today is still running into the state of buying. Okay, so the retracement is there. Okay, so today we may have a pullback, and the pullback may seems like going to take out this area. We still have a very good space to go, right? So tentatively, if we are looking out for selling, please bear in mind Aussie dollar will be against the trend. Okay, so if you are selling, you are against the trend. But then this is also a pullback from the bull, where you still stand a chance. Okay, so over at this point here, this is the support level. As we can see very clearly, this is the resistance level. Okay, so tentatively we are selling from the resistance right now. But look out for the space available. Right now it's only about 20 pips. So you can go for this round first. Then after that, with its breakthrough, then we can sell another round after retesting, and we go for a 50. All right. Okay, so yeah, that's for Aussie dollar. Okay, I will not put this into my watch list because this is against the trend. Okay, so yeah, Euro Aussie. Let's take a look at Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie, we have tested on the support. Okay, so now Euro Aussie is still currently going to retest the support once again. We are still in the bull. We are still in the bear. Okay, we are still in the bear. So tentatively, we are looking out for resistance. Since we are in the bear, we must look out for resistance. Am I right? Okay, so there's this resistance over here. Okay, as we can see, the resistance over at this point. Then slowly it went down. Okay, it went down slowly, go to this level to create another lower resistance. Okay, so the over at this point here, the resistance is there. So will they be testing on the resistance once again, then come down to see the space? We have about 80 pips. Yes, okay, then this one still looks good. Okay, so tentatively, I'm still looking for Euro Aussie to sell. Okay, Euro Aussie. Right, so Euro Aussie, yes, we can look out for selling. Okay, how about Euro CAD? Euro CAD, right? Euro CAD over here. Well, EURCAD at this point here, we are now hovering around, okay, and we are stuck on the support. Okay, but over here, the bear has taken a landing. So the bear has taken the landing over here. It seems like it's going to hover around here. Okay, so in that case, probably, okay, what am I going to do is that this part here, if I'm going for selling, then probably I have to wait for it to break the support here. Then we will be able to see a 50 pips of space. Okay, then about 60 total. All right. So this may be a good chance. Also, EURCAD. All right, EURCAD. So right now on the support, but it's just that we just need to wait for it to break the support, and then we'll start trading below. Okay. All right, EURCAD not bad. Okay, so I will still be looking out. Okay, right. Okay. And how about EUROPOUND? EUROPOUND, I'm going to skip this, okay, because of the situation between the Ukraine war and the Russia war. So I'm going to skip this for now. Okay, so how about Euro Yen? Euro Yen, right? Euro Yen over here. Euro Yen, okay, we will be going on the selling, right? We are in the bear. So Euro Yen today, okay, we may experience some retracement, okay. We may experience some retracement. So let's take a look. Will there be any point that Euro Yen, it has hits on the support here, correct? Okay, so after that, okay, it started to retrace upwards over at this point. So will there be a chance that it will still continue to go back? I would say yes. Okay, there will be a good chance, but today is retracement. Ultimately, we are still in the bear. Okay, so if there's a selling opportunity, yes, we can still sell. All right, but just bear in mind that today is also a retracement day. Okay, so just be very careful. Okay, so Euro Yen, tentatively, I'm going to put this in my selling list. Okay, selling list over here. Euro Yen. Yeah, just wait for it to test on the resistance first. It's not there yet. Okay. All right. So next to go, Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi. Yeah, Euro Kiwi over here. Yes, Euro Kiwi, we are now testing on the support as a bear here. So we are now on the support. We are having a retracement. So currently, I think Euro Kiwi, we can give this a miss first. Okay. All right. Because it's climbing onto a higher support as well. So I don't suggest a buy or I don't suggest a selling here. Okay. All right. So for Euro dollar, let's take a look at Euro dollar. Well, Euro dollar today, we are already in the bull. Okay, one touch here on the bull, but it's coming back to retest the area. Okay, it's actually coming back to retest the area, then to go back into the bear. However, okay, now we are on the support over here. Okay, we are on the support. Looks like it's coming back to retest this area. Okay, so let's see if it's coming back to retest this area by breaking the support over here. Then we may have a good space, about 40 pips. Okay, about 40 pips. So this one, okay, it still looks good. All right. So Euro dollar must break the support. Okay. However, we are still in the bull. All right. This is still a pullback. Okay, to retest it. Okay. So in this case, all right, if it's going to retest the support, then we are going to retest the support here. Right, then after that, then we have a good chance to sell. Okay, so that's for Euro dollar. Right, so we can pay attention to that. Okay, but I don't need to put into my list now. Okay. Okay, so why do I don't put into the list is because tentatively is actually having a slight reversal over here. Okay, it's getting into the bull zone. Okay, so the bull zoning. So I wouldn't want to trade against the trend. Okay, until it fully comes in into the bear, then okay, I will follow the trend. I will flow with the trend. Okay, so yeah, but we can still take note because it's still a pullback here. Okay, yeah, pound Aussie. Let's take a look at pound Aussie. So pound Aussie over here. All right, so pound Aussie, we are hitting on the support over here. Yes, coming here, coming, finally break through this area and went down. And went down to set up a support over there. So it went down to support, went down to hit a support. So does that mean that we are going to fall buy? Very likely, it depends, okay, because right now it's setting up one higher lows. So I will say that now currently may going for a buy. So I'm not going to take this. Okay, so pound CAD. What about pound CAD? Pound CAD over here, we are in the bear. But it seems like same thing is landing, okay, over here. So it's bumping on the platform here. So tentatively, are we still looking for a selling? We are in the bear. Yes, we can still look out for selling. All right. Okay, so now with this, okay, support no change, and the resistance over here. Okay, so tentatively, I would say that we still need a lot of patience for this pound CAD. Okay, although it seems that we still have a good space about 40 pips. Okay, but I think it is still good. Okay, I think it is still good, right? So you can take note about this. Okay, so pound CAD, yeah, I'm going to put this into my watch list. All right, okay, pound CAD. And pound franc, let's take a look at pound franc. Yes, pound franc over at this point here, pound franc. Yeah, pound franc currently, okay, we are in the bear. So it breaks through this area. So currently, pound franc, we are also landing around, hovering around this area. I would suggest just give this a miss because it doesn't look very good. Okay, yep. And pound yen, let's take a look at pound yen. All right, pound yen. So pound yen, we are in the bear. Okay, we are in the bear, and now we are going to test on the support very soon. I see. Okay, as I see. Okay, so okay, so yes, we have tested the resistance over at this point here. So the support level, okay, oops. Okay, at this support. Okay, so tentatively looking at this, we have about 35 pips to go for pound yen. Okay, so pound yen in the bear. Okay, trading into selling. Okay, so I guess this is quite good. Okay, so we can go for a pound yen. My watch list. Okay. And pound kiwi. Let's take a look at pound kiwi. Well, pound kiwi, after we tested the support, okay, complete the whole cycle over here, then now it's actually going for a buy. So pound kiwi, I would suggest a buy than a selling. Okay. All right. So over at this point here, pound dollar. Well, pound dollar, yesterday we have a very good slip off and managed to capture some profit from there. So and looking at this now, are we still going to sell? It looks like it's the bull coming back to retest again. Okay, from here, it's actually reverse. Okay, it reversing upwards. Okay, then it hover around this area. So if this is going to break, it's going to swing down very, very much. If it's not, I think it will be a good chance today. There may be a good chance that it may retrace upwards. Okay, so let's see. Okay, where do we stand? Okay, over here we have a support. Okay, so we have stand nicely on the support. Then the resistance, is there any chance? Okay, that we need to avoid? Okay, right here. Right here. All right, right here. Hi, Deep Park Rana. Nice to see you here. Where are you from? Go. Okay, give me a little while. I will be back. I will be there shortly. Okay, so for pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Pound dollar today we are right now on the support over here. Okay, we have about 10-13 pips away. Okay, so we have tested on the support and now retracing upwards. Will this candle actually continue to escalate up? Okay, to the resistance level which I plotted here. All right, it should be here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, because over here we are standing about 35 pips. So buyers can take note. All right, if for seller, okay, seems like we are coming into a state of retesting. Am I right? A state of retesting. So if we are going for a retesting, all right, if we are going for a retesting, then we must wait for it to break the support first. So over at this point, we must break the support. Then we may have a good chance of going down for a retesting. Okay, and yeah, so pound dollar. Okay, I will put this into my watch list. Okay, I'll put this into my watch list. Pound dollar. But today, please watch out. Okay, today it may be a pullback day. All right, although we are going to monitor this pound dollar. All right. Okay, so I want to see there's a pullback. Then we may have a good chance to sell again. Okay. Because in general, I'm still looking for pound dollar to sell into this area. Okay, this area is this area is my targeted area. Okay, so yeah, let me place it here. Okay, yeah, so this is still my area. Okay, this is still my area. So I'm still looking out for this area to actually sell. Okay. So yep, so just take note. Okay, so let's move again. I have my pound dollar in. Okay, well, pound dollar, yep, it's in. Okay, dollar CAD. Let's take a look at dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD. If dollar CAD at this point here, we are actually going. Yesterday have a good buy, right? Has a good buy, and today seems like it's coming back for a selling. But then again, when it's coming back for selling, okay, it's still not there to sell yet too. Okay, so I would suggest that tentatively we can keep a lookout. Okay, I will not put this into my list. All right, dollar franc. Yes, dollar franc. Dollar franc will be on the buy side. Okay, no selling. Very, very clear. Okay, namaste, TJs. All right, namaste. Nice to see you here. Well, dollar yen. Well, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen seems like escalating in the bear. So today having a pullback. So looks like dollar is getting strong. It seems like, okay. So we are pulling back, but then again is that in this session, this 4-hour session seems like the dollar is being resisted. Okay, dollar is being resisted. So let's wait for dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. If dollar yen is being resisted to continue the selling, okay, then there may be a good chance for us to see that dollar yen will be selling in the second half of the day. Okay, so tentatively, I'm not going to put this into my watch list first. All right, Bitcoin. We are running at 23.8 right now. So it's a good, over here is actually coming back for selling and to 23, okay, 23.086, okay, 23.086. So that is one of the target price I'm looking at, okay, all right. So yeah, and Deepak, okay, Deepak. As for gold, all right, right now by looking at this gold, we are looking for 1812. Okay, 1812. The price 1812. So tentatively, it's actually trade below 1788. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this today, we are also still on the buy side. So until now, the gold trading is still on side over here, and it seems like it is still from the 1788. Okay, so in that case, I think today I will be looking at the buy. Okay, I'll be looking at the buy more than the selling. Okay, so a buy, I'm looking at 1788 for now. Okay, until 1812. I'm still looking for 1812 over here. Okay, 1812. All right. So at this, before we hit the 1812, take a look at 1788 first. Okay, if this 1788 is going to break above, we test this 1788 and it will go to, very highly likely it will still go to 1812. But if it is not breaking and it turn back right on the 1788, and forget about it, it will come down to sell it. Okay, all right, so that is for gold. Okay, so yep, that's all. Yep, that's all for me now in this session. So let me sketch out what are we going to focus today. All right, so that everybody will know, okay, what we are going to do later on in the London session. Okay, yep, correct. Okay, yes, okay, let's go. All right, so yep, that's perfect. Okay, so today we are going to sell Aussie Yen, Euro Aussie, EURCAD, Euro Yen, Pound CAD, Pound Yen, and Pound Dollar. Okay, all right. So guys, do remember to smash the like button for the effort behind the video. Click on the word called subscribe. Okay, click the subscribe button and ring up the bell so that when I go live later on in the London session, you can join me without any delay. All right. Okay, so this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you later on in the London session. Thank you so much, guys. See you.